Make a great choice today with the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, sunroof, roof rails, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, steering wheel controls, power outlet, cup holders, console. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.